Hey friends, we are back with Skill 6, Lesson 7. We're going to start with our oral warm-up. It is part-way oral chaining, and then the other half is just blending the sounds together. Okay, so here we go on the first one. Listen first and then with me. Hum. Okay, now with me. Hum. Okay, I'm going to add a sound at the end. So I have hump. Okay, try it with me. Hump. I'm going to change the first sound. Jump. Okay, now try it with me. Jump. Now I'm going to not take away, I'm going to add another sound on the beginning. Okay? Try it with me. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't blend it. Plump. Okay, try it with me. Plump. Okay, we'll listen to this one. Shirt. Listen again. Shirt. Shirt. Okay, now let's do it with me. Shirt. Shirt. Hear the bird. She hears me too. Okay, now listen. Skirt. Skirt. Do it with me. Skirt. Skirt. Next. Sock. Socks. Try it with me. Sock. Socks. If you want to look at the screen, notice that that is the CK at the end of the word, and the X makes the X sound, so that CKS is the X for the X sound as well, even though we spell it CKS. Okay, next one. Pants. Okay, try it with me. Pants. Last one. Belt. Now the next, try it with me. Sorry, let's try that again. Belts. Okay, moving on. That one was quite difficult for me too, so I hope y'all didn't struggle like I did. Moving on to the next screen. If you choose to review the sounds, okay, pause here and resume when you're ready. 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 Okay, now if you don't want to go through the video and do this, I suggested that you get flashcards, okay? I'm attaching a reading of Kit's Mom, which is what you're going to be reading next with your child. Okay, so I'm going to pause on each page so y'all can sound out the words as you are letting that play and reading it. So pause here. Pause here. Pause here. And pause here. Okay, and then, like I said, I am also attaching a reading of it also. Okay. I almost forgot to say goodbye. I don't know why I feel like I need to do that every time, but I just wanted to tell you goodbye. See you next time, and y'all are doing a great job.